The Fill and Fold is not only the fastest start-to-finish cone filling machine on the market, it also easily addresses the #1 pain point and speed bump identified by pre-roll producers across the country: closing filled pre-rolls. The Fill and Fold is a durable, multi-piece tabletop cone filling machine that uses an industrial vibrating base and size-specific work trays to create 121 high-quality, perfectly filled pre-rolls in every cycle. But the key to the Fill and Fold speed is its unique folding tamping tool that allows producers to easily fold over the tops of 11 filled pre-rolls at once, vastly speeding up the amount of time it takes to finish Dutch crown-style pre-rolls and move on to the next production cycle. In fact, the folding tamping tool is what allowed the Fill and Fold to beat all competitors in our battle of the pre-roll machines, producing more completed pre-rolls per hour than any other machine. Out of the box, the Fill and Fold comes with a vibrating base and your choice of work tray and corresponding volumetric metering tray, as well as a bucket, catch tray, tube brush, and the special fold tamping tool. We also offer double kits so you can make 2 different sizes, as well as a starter kit that comes with our industrial grinder and $150 store credit. And there you have it. Call the pre-roll experts today to get your hands on a Fill and Fold cone filling machine, the fastest and easiest way to produce high-quality pre-rolls that we've seen yet.